All right, I'm back again with the sedan. I wasn't gonna record at first because I don't want to bore you guys with me attempting madness until I know I was gonna go full mad. So now I'm finna go full mad because as you guys can see, last time my angle sucked that I tried to make. So yeah, we're gonna go full mad on the car. All right, so look at all that camber. No, that's not what we're gonna do. So I've made up my mind. I'm going to S chassis suspension in the front. And I was doodaddling all around yesterday trying to make it work with the stock tower, and it was not working. So they do make a kit for the R32 where you can relocate, cut out the top and it places the shock in the right position. But they don't make them for 34s or 33s. So I am now making my own. All right, so got the whole Lee Bird angle kit attempt off. We're gonna leave the little control arms because they're the same as S13. We'll leave the tension rod, and hopefully the tie rods are long enough. Now we gotta measure up here, draw it out, cut it out, clean it out, weld it up, boom, and then we're gonna be done. You know what I'm saying? Do that to both sides real quick. We got both of them stripped down. This is how the, I think these are 14 knuckles. They fit right on there, real good. We'll probably have to change the brake caliper because the Skyline one's got way bigger bolts, so it's not gonna fit. So either we do Z32 brakes or something, but we'll get there when we get there. If not, we can use these things. I don't know. I haven't figured out brakes yet. So yeah, time to mark it up and cut it out. All right, got the engine covered up, got the towers marked out. Last time is gonna be stock. Time to chop away. It's good, it got a little bit of rust there anyway, so you get to cut all that out and weld these plates in. Ain't no turning back once I start cutting. And I'm about to start cutting because I ain't turning back. All right, so the towers are welded in and some primer on there. Don't mind some of the welds. And Sean pulled up, brought me some PBM knuckles. Don! And a Donnie. And Donnie's gonna help me slap it back together real quick. And then we're gonna get a tune in this car. And hopefully we get to hit the cul-de-sac real quick. Right, Haitian?
Yeah, we need S14 wheel bearings.
For what?
The knuckles.
They fit, don't they?
No.
Stop lying.
Rome and them talking about Jersey.
All right. Woohoo! And we're down. We're ready to go. Where your car at, bro? Hopefully we don't, we shouldn't spin out anymore. I shouldn't call this sucky. I know it needs some paint. It needs some paint, but look at it. Woo! Woo! We got the little toe plate alignment by my dog Donnie and the Rona. This guy did nothing. Zigzags, biatch.
What knuckles are on your car?
Oh shit. Oh, what he said, bro? What he talking about, bro?
It's time to get surgical.
Surgical. He said surgical.
Yes, it is, bro.
He comfy back there.
Look at him. That's that sedan life,
This
boy.
was supposed to be my car, but Lee didn't want to sell it to me.
Yeah, we didn't want to sell it. The wipers were?
Oh.
Bro, I don't even know how this is going to go, but it's the worst.
We're going to find out.
Took up the whole road.
Yeah. Oh. We good, though. Oh, we gonna find out if that bit turned.
Everything tight.
Yeah, everything's tight. Oh, whoa, we got locked. Oh!
We on 10 right now.
What is going on? We put modded.
Why are you on 10?
I don't know, bro. I just wanted to like
Gas
feel
pedal
it.
kind of sucks.
Why?
It's the same one I got.
No, it's a 350Z.
Oh, never mind. This is way better.
Hey, the Arctic don't sound bad in the car, does it?
Nah, you gotta keep the windows up.
Why are you selling out? Fuck you, Sean.
Oh,
That's what the problem is. The e-brake ain't working properly.
It never did.
stock handbraking. Stock handbraking.
Tighten the 10 mil, tighten the hooks in the back.
It's because it's wet, bro.
Like I said, I need a filter.
that BMW.
Thank God Lee don't know how to panic, bro. I thought we were going straight into the fire extinguisher, bro. Imagine the water, bro. I mean, the fire hydrant. Holy shit.
Damn, we need to knee brake. That shit was
That
whack.
was crazy.
Damn, we got angle and it drives good. Woo!
I wouldn't say good.
It does drive good, bro. It drives way better than the what I had going on.
That was crazy.
We almost died.
We
Went through a
definitely.
fire hydrant.
Oh shit! Oh! I'm working with it now. Fuck it. Ready? Yeah.
I gotta let my dog Boop drive it. Are you gonna boop it real quick? Oh my God, he's crazy. I wanna push the brake. I wanna push the brake! Why are you trying to break my shit? The BMW. It does.
Tough spot, though. Feel it? It's like right there.
Damn, the wastegate sound crazy on this side.
Crazy like shit.
Nah, it sounds good. Where you going?
That's good.
That was trash.
No, I did good. Like jump the wheel, then we flip.
You almost freaking. My brakes are just like, no. Another episodes of the NAT getting abused. Dang. Still running nice and strong, nice and healthy. Let's do a health check real quick. Oil pressure, we got it. Huh?
You can definitely take more grip.
Oh yeah, no, for sure.
That's why we spun out.
R-Tech glowing. Valves and everything sounding good. What happened? No, we just giving a health check. Sean got the manifold glowing and shit. Oh shit. It looks ugly, but it drive good. Woo! So my angle kit work now, and George has a wise fab. Don't mind his little wheels. He's waiting on the body kit so he can put his rest of all the wheels on. We're gonna have a little cul-de-sac party, and Jake is over here to go to 4th of July. He's already out there tearing up streets for no damn reason. But we're gonna see if my knuckle better than George. It's probably not. It's fine. Hey, chill out, bro. Don't be doing burnouts, bro. Only the owner could do that. And we got Spec out here. 4-door gang, 4-door. Not! Oh shit. It's a lift there. Yeah, Jake out here. Jake literally out here ripping up the street already. Lights on. Look at that. Woo. You get this guy? Oh my God.
That brings us to the end of the video. That is the last time the NAT is gonna be getting beaten on like that, because we got some big changes actually coming for that car. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next few videos. You'll see what we got planned for it. We're gonna switch things up a little bit, and I promise you guys are gonna like it. So keep watching, like, share, subscribe, and let's keep it moving. Later.